Solix is an exciting new depin platform that lets users share their unused internet bandwidth and earn rewards in return. With just a simple browser extension, anyone can contribute to building a fairer, more efficient internet while earning SLIX points, which may later be converted into real tokens. It's an easy and passive way to get into crypto, even if you're just starting out. If you're curious and ready to start earning with Solix, here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you get set up. Step 1. Sign up on the Solix website. The first thing you need to do is head over to the official Solix website. Once you're there, create an account by signing up on their page. The process is quick and user-friendly, and you'll be all set in just a few minutes. Step 2. Log in and open the dashboard. After signing up, simply log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll notice something cool. You're already starting to earn Solix points just by being on their dashboard. That's right. By simply keeping the dashboard open, you're helping the network and earning rewards at the same time. Step 3. Boost your earnings through social media. If you want to earn even more points, Solix offers extra opportunities through their social media platforms. Connect your accounts by following their pages on X and joining their Discord server. After doing this, give the system a little time to process and confirm your activities. Once confirmed, you'll see additional rewards accumulate in your account. Keep an eye on their social media channels too. Step 4. Invite friends and earn referrals. Solix also has a referral system where you can invite friends and family to join the platform. Step 5. Install the Solix Google extension. To make the most out of Solix, you'll need to install their official browser extension. Head over to the Google Chrome Web Store and add the Solix extension to your browser. Once it's installed, don't forget to turn it on. This step is crucial because it allows your browser to share your unused bandwidth securely while you continue collecting SLIX points in the background. The best part? You don't have to do anything else. Just keep browsing as you normally would and watch your points pile up over time. And that's it. As simple as that, you're now part of the Solix community, earning crypto rewards while doing what you already do every day, browsing the internet. It's a smart, passive way to join the Web3 movement without needing expensive equipment or complicated setups. Who knows? Those points could be worth a lot in the future. Happy earning and have a great day.